Well, I'm here at Forbidden Technologies, and we've spoken before, but I've got Stephen Streater with me. Hi, Stephen. Good to see you.
Hi, good to see you.
Now, we're talking about FORscene, and you've got something interesting to talk about in your hand. So tell us a bit about that.
So, for some time, we've had an Android version of FORscene, which we've been sort of testing in the Android market, where you can do whatever you like, really.
Yeah.
And now we've got it up to professional standard. We are moving that to the iPad.
Right.
So for NAB, we'll be launching an iPad version, and I'll just show you roughly what it looks like.
Yeah.
This also shows we've upped the resolution to standard definition as well. This is initially used for our sports customers, but it works perfectly well for broadcast, for editing, for example. And it's an app.
Yeah.
So now you can edit your video in the cloud and an app. So this combines the main areas of growth, which are cloud and mobile, are the two big things. And with the advances in these tablets, everything's going to be done on mobile, before you know it. And we have our whole cloud platform available on the tablet.
So basically what we'll be able to do as soon as the iPad version's out is basically your cross-platform as far as tablets are concerned, really, to be able to edit your videos.
So we already run on about 5,500 different mobile devices. Just the iPad isn't one of them. But obviously you talk to the broadcast industry and everyone's got an iPad, everyone's got an iPhone. So that's the next step. But we'd like to get it right before we launch on these platforms to the professional market. And that's what we've done here. And that will give you access to all the features that you have in FORscene, which is logging and editing. And we've added features recently like voiceover, multiple video tracks, a lot more craft editing features as we're moving up market. All that will be available, accessible from your iPad. Although what we expect is people will use it much more for review and commenting to start with. But it's only a question of time before people use these mobile devices as their standard devices.
So I will ask, is this a website you're going to, or is it an application that you're going to have?
So the normal FORscene runs in a web browser on a website, but the tablet versions run as an app. And the reason is that we can run lots of optimized native code that runs on the machine code of the various processors that they use. So in order to really get it running full frame rate, high resolution, you need to have dedicated code, and that's what we provide for the apps.
Stephen, that's great. Now, if people want to find out more information about FORscene and, of course, the applications, what's the website they can go to?
The website's www.forbidden.co.uk. It's the company website, and if you're interested in FORscene specifically, then it's forscene.co.uk, FORscene.co.uk, and that will bring you up to date on the latest developments in FORscene.
Stephen, thank you very much. It's always fascinating to see what you can do on this cloud-based system for editing. It's absolutely amazing. Find out everything you need to know from their website. If you're watching this online, you'll see the links below me. Everything we're doing here at BVE, of course, is on our website, which is broadcastshow.com.